Hey yo guys, welcome to gLiTtv. My name is King Ginger, Creme de la Creme. Join us at gLiTtv, and this is One Hot Chip Challenge. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are blazing. We're looking for people who are saying, "Bona, abayisabi inte babayo." They're not afraid of chilies. Get the boss or the boss, bakakhona gore baje chipsy e babang go feta tsotlhe mo lefatsheng. My name is King Ginger, Creme de la Creme, and you are tuning in to gLiTtv. And please, my brother, make sure that you subscribe on this channel and you hit that bell so that whenever I drop these episodes, you being alert. To hit the like button and comment down there. Go by the name of King Ginger first. And in person, I want no chip challenge. If you can eat this for 10 minutes, I will give you this money. Right now, I've got Yanda, Utsigmina Chicha, Osagada, Utsigmina Jena, and I'm sorry, hello. Are you good? Are you sure you're not scared of this? Open it, look at it. Open it. Why are you not scared? When I start listening, look at this, it's hot. It's red. It's saying what here? Alright, what? What? Rest in peace. You're about to go down, mommy. This is your glove. Then you can fuck. Then you can see we cut the weave that we bang a glove. What the show will say, we bang the Santa Santa to make glove and bang. Alright, the rules are the rules. And they're very simple. I give you 2 minutes to choose. Okay. And then I give you 10 minutes. Simple with it. How much it was we paid? 500 rand! Cash him Tanami in the streets of Johannesburg. King Ginger. Into an King Love. Okay, you see the level? Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, guys. We have milk. We have milk and we have water. It's about that time. So we're gonna so that's then we cut all of this. We want all of this now drop down. Yeah. I'll 2 minutes. Oh yeah. Alright guys, timer waits. My timer. Alright, let me fix the timer by first. So for 2 minutes as we are starting. Alright, let's go. Yummy. You can put it back here. Thank you. You can remove the glove and put it back here. Thank you. Don't hold your eyes or anything. Please close for the key. Alright. Sorry. Take it easy. We have water, we have milk. Alright, we have water, we have milk. And we have 500 rand. How are you feeling? It's going well, man. It's very nice, hot. Very clean. Hot cornflakes! What's up? Away? You know, man. You good? Woo! All right. So you done? You good? You done? You done? All right. She's done, guys. She's done in 1 minute, 15 seconds. Okay. Righty. It's cool. We restarted. Then now we jump into 10 minutes, right? As we have started, 10 minutes to Kalila on your way to win yourself 500 rand. Can I see your eyes? Are you crying? We want to see you in the camera there. Are you crying? Are you crying? Why are you crying? Why Ola? Yeah? There. Okay. Cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Okay, Fitz. If it's a Fitz. Ugathanda ukuthi qabo kancane.
Ngiyafuna mara.
Uzothi uhamba kancane. Anjani amanzi? Amjodi. Yababa.
Usengalikhetheleli ngilibeke la.
Uthi ngiphuphule. Awema.
Okay.
Yaba. Manje uthi uzothenga nani manje? Video. Kwenza njani manje? Lenza njani le mbuza? Yababa uthi manje. But nemali nanzi nayo iyababa nemali. Nayo le mali uthini? Kwenza njani? Ram pa pa pa. Kwenza njani? No.
Naikhipha lo.
Le dragon. Let's see the tongue. See the tongue. Tongue out. Yeah, Baba. Please. Una bamba mesmo. Ali. É uma bamba mesmo. Okay, noma manje ke ngoba kancane akunankinga ngiyekela. Unje kuqala kancane. Angeke ngisho ukuthi uyacheat. Yeah. You want to stick to your agreement? Okay. You want to stick to an agreement, yeah? Right, let's check time. Let's check time. Okay. How do you feel now? Baba kumani. Yeah, it's another. So uthini? Imali ngithatha or I agree with you. Let's take it. We'll take it. If there is $100, $200, $400, $500. $500. It's in this. Not
Let's taste.
Yes. Tonight we are sleeping with tank wings and ice cream. Vanilla, Washa, tank wings, tank Woo! Hey, perfeito. Para muni. Kinakomange. I like it when she's asking about Nako Ntanami. Alrighty, let's check the Nako for her. She's the one for the Nako. Body. You getting there? She's pushing, ne? Yeah. Uthini njani abekezela?
Bekezela mdala. Bekezela.
Tonight you're gonna sleep. Imbogoto. Everyone got paid tonight. Ooh, Coca-Cola. Okay, ice cream. Something. Awuthi nje sikubone uyibrayekela lapho uyoba yona. Kodwa noma nami ngifuna la ngoba wekhe egcekeni.
Into yamanzi.
Ngoba wena wenza Creme.
Oh,
Yeah, into the end.
to go is to see. To see is to go. Okay. Ungayibamba nje. Go.
Sandla ngisibona sesondela.
Anyang.
Hayi bo. Nangishake. Why you boy?
Just shake it.
Shake it, baby. Huh? Yeah, I was to say shy. Eh? Yes?
Shake.
Kasi gitse po man. Yung boy, hindi gitse pa dyan. It's coming down. Outside. Eyakho. Uyisa kakabi eyakho. Kakabi eyakho. Alright guys, still on Ekapetsu, we're still pushing time, almost there. We were across 5 minutes, but I know a minute is something else. It's very long, so we can still dance. Dance, man. Woo!
Go.
You never wanted to be a Not you. Itanda. gLiTtv, my word. We are bowling. We are giving away money, guys. Make sure that you subscribe. They're asking for time. I'm telling you about subscribing because I might be coming to you. Might be.
1 minute left, teacher.
It's about that time. We just crossed 1 minute. We're gonna be counting together, me and the winner. Shush.
You bullet. Stop it. Go.
Alright guys, let's do the countdown. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3.5, 2, 2.5, 1.5. Hey yo, congratulations man, congratulations. She got the money. Yeah man, one hot chip challenge guys. We just playing around, we doing our thing. Here's your money, Swami. How do you feel? Jayami, salute. How do you feel? Yeah, thank you so much for participating. you are for real. I will start and then what's we go then. Abantu bangayizama lento ekhaya.
Bangayizama shem, ayikho that bad. Iyadleka.
Iyadleka. Iyachweka.
Iyachweka, iyagwinyeka.
Hey yo guys, you heard it from a to our own guest, Umuntu say tasty, you want a YouTube challenge. So if you want us to come to your hood, make sure that you subscribe on this channel and you hit that bell so that whenever we drop an episode, we are there. And you hit us with the comments. It's another day, another dollar, another banger. Okay. Tonight, our dinner is duck wings and ice cream. Thank you to everyone who's involved in this channel, guys. The team in Durban, the team in Pietermaritzburg, and the team in Germany. Thank you so much, guys, for giving us such supplies. Make sure that you subscribe on this channel so that we can grow. Hey yo guys, King Ginger Creme de la Creme. I need to report back to the office of Shaile Asentwana Kingsley. We did it again. We made history. We gave away money. Hey yo guys, I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.
Get up, chin up, niggas kinda plenty. Push up, blow out,